Okay, this lot here, I was very interested in this lot. It may still be available, I don't know. I'm gonna have to do some checking. Looks like somebody's cleaning it up a little bit, but anyway, this lot here, this is why I was interested. With these trees, these little bitty bushes in the front gone, it's a perfect view of the ocean. Would make a very, very beautiful spot for a house. Will not flood. This is this to me is basically the perfect lot. You've got privacy, you've got a fantastic view. All of this view here, this is fantastic. This is the only place that I know of in Luan, easy access to get to, that's got this kind of a view. And with this much of a lot. Very nice. How big you think this lot is, hon?
Maybe more than 1,000.
Oh yeah, it's over that. It's over 1,000 meters. But as you can see, like I said, there's no flooding to this, and it looks like it could use a little rain, but you know, we all could, I guess. And like I said, the view is everything with these few out here cut down, and the view goes all the way out to here. You would just have an exceptional view of the ocean from up here. And I think this is just beautiful myself. Go on the other side of Luan, and you can see in the background over there, you get to the hills. But me and the wife chose not to look for the hill view, or a place where we had a view in the hills. We chose to stay on this side, and this is what we have on this side. We have a view of the ocean, and it is very beautiful. It's fantastic in a lot of ways. So anyway, maybe we'll luck out and get this lot. Who knows? It's a roll of the dice either way you go. So you guys take care. Like, comment, and subscribe. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.